inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Denham Springs, Gonzales, Greensburg, Walker, Pimento, French Settlement, Albany, Port Vincent, Montpelier, Watson, Shenandoah, Old Jefferson, Perryville, and Geismar. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 172 and 182. Interstate 12 between mile markers 9 and 34. Turn around. Don't